Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the hottest debates in modern coding, VS Code versus Cursor AI. Both are amazing editors, but one is taking coding to a whole new level with built-in AI. So, which one should you use in 2025? Let's break it down. First, a quick intro to both. VS Code, Microsoft's open-source editor that's loved by millions. It's lightweight, super customizable, and supports pretty much every programming language out there. You can add AI through extensions like GitHub Copilot, but by default, it's a clean, flexible code editor. Cursor AI, on the other hand, is a newer, AI-native code editor built from the ground up around AI assistants. Think of it as VS Code, but with deep integrated AI features like code explanation, refactoring, smart autocomplete, and even whole file generation, all built right in. So basically, VS Code is your classic open platform. Cursor AI is the new futuristic one with AI baked into the core experience. Alright, let's compare them head to head. Features. VS Code wins on flexibility. You can make it anything you want with extensions, from web dev to data science. Cursor AI, however, focuses on smart coding features, real-time AI suggestions, code rewriting, and natural language queries that actually understand your codebase. Speed and performance. VS Code is super fast and stable even with big projects. Cursor AI feels similar but can sometimes lag slightly when the AI engine processes large code files. It's improving fast though. Ease of use. If you're a beginner, VS Code might feel simpler at first. It's clean, and you add what you need. Cursor AI has a learning curve, but once you get used to the AI prompts and shortcuts, it can save tons of time. Pricing. VS Code is 100% free. Cursor AI has a free tier but limits some advanced AI features. The Pro plan unlocks faster responses and more context for bigger projects. AI performance. Here's where Cursor shines. Its built-in AI can explain bugs, rewrite functions, or generate components instantly. VS Code can do similar things only if you add extensions like Copilot, but they're not as deeply integrated into the editor itself. So, what's the bottom line? If you want a free, fast, and highly customizable editor, VS Code is still unbeatable. But if you want an editor that thinks with you, helping you write, refactor, and understand code faster, Cursor AI is the future. For beginners, start with VS Code to learn the basics. For pros or AI enthusiasts, Cursor AI is absolutely worth trying in 2025. All right, that's our breakdown. Which one do you prefer, the classic VS Code or the futuristic Cursor AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech and coding videos every week. See you in the next one.